Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And guys, we had the eclipse the other day and it was beautiful, and I hope you got to see I think it was on my Mass Monday, I put a little clip of it at the end. And right now you can see my lights we have up behind me that are shining through because it's raining today, and I guess it's causing some kind of reflection. So Scotty, beam me up. I just thought, how funny is that these lights, these beams come down right when I'm getting ready to record, and it's probably because it's darker outside and you can see my lights are up there, and I only have 3 of them burning. Can you imagine how much brighter it would be if my 4th one over there wasn't burned out? But it is, and that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is I finally got my March Ice Cream Beauty. Now you may wonder, why in the world did it take me this long to get my March Ice Cream Beauty? Well, it took that long because I temporarily canceled it. So I had to go in there and redo everything, and they got it out to me, I guess, as soon as they could. But while I was in that interim of not being subscribed, she had a site-wide 15% off discount. Yes, so I re-signed for 6 months with 15% off, which brings my box down to about $19. It's normally $25 a month, and that is a great price, and you'll see what I mean when we get in here. But it was $25 regular, or if you do 6 months. So I think 6 months normally is like around $138 or somewhere around there, and plus tax. And I think I got it total, I want to say, for right around $118 or something. It was about $20 something off. I don't know, I just know that it averages out to about $19 a box, and I like that. And of course they have their foozles in there, and this is our March theme, was make your own luck. And of course that'd be perfect for St. Patty's Day. And of course we've already had Easter, and I love the daisies, or the sunflowers that are on there. That's one of my favorite flowers, one of my favorite wildflowers. And of course we have a palette, and we're going to have over $100 value, and I'm sure many of you have already seen this box. So I thank you if you've stopped by to see what I have, which is basically the same thing, I think. I don't know if they do much difference, but I'm just going to pick up the first thing. It's a gold opal. It's an iridescent highlighter by Bo Babe Beauty, and it's a $35 value, and I'm just going to put that up there. Yeah, it's Bo Baby. This is a cream highlight with a dropper. Okay, now I'm going to have to find this. Oh, okay, I was thinking it was something else. This is it right here. It's a liquid highlighter drops, and it's gold opal. Very, very impressive. And it's sealed. I don't use liquid, although I'm sure this is beautiful. I mean, we ought to at least see the packaging, right? I'm going to go from the bottom, and we'll see what we got here. I'm going to see what it looks like. Oh, yeah, that's very, very beautiful packaging. And I'm assuming it says it's a dropper, so it would just drop a little highlighter on. Well, that's very interesting. Very, very pretty. And it was a $35 value, so it's a nice product. And you can already see I've already got my $25, or in my case my $19 value out of it. And so you, if you're doing month to month, you would for sure get your $25 value. Now the next item is a redness corrector primer by Xoxo Cosmetics, and I was real glad that I was going to get this, because sometimes I have redness, you know, on my skin, and this is a primer to help reduce that down. So it's not a bad thing, that's for sure. Well, they got it packed up really good, I'll say that. I can't even get into it. You know, my April box will be here pretty soon, so I'll probably turn around and have another ice cream beauty. But I wanted to give each box their own time. I know some people will double up, and that's fine for them. But I like to experience each box as it is and kind of take my time. So this is the packaging. And of course, I'm sure it's going to be a little blue color, because I have had like one of these from like Dermalogica. And it's very nice. And I'm going to show you. I'm going to put it on here. You see it's blue. It's going to go away, and it's just going to take away any redness that's on there. And of course, I don't have too much redness, but it's on my hand anyways. And it's just going to fade in, as you could see. So that's going to be, it doesn't really have a scent. It's a very light scent if it has one at all. So that's going to be perfect to wear. I like that idea. Now I know I just got some other primers, but I will use this because there's sometimes my skin has a red undertone. Okay. Did I welcome y'all to my channel? I don't know if I did or not. If I didn't, welcome everybody. If you're new here, why don't you consider subscribing? I do all kinds of things here, including beauty. And we do some Temu and Mass Mondays. Oh my goodness, we do travel boxes. I've got a travel box coming in from Nobica, Undiscovered Artisans. There's just lots of things coming in. I'm going to be kind of floored here. My next item is a unit blusher by Ofra Cosmetics. And that is right here. And Ofra is a great product as well. How much did it say that was? That's a this was a $22 value. The corrector primer and the Ofra is a $29 value. So see, you're getting your money's worth out of this. And it's just wonderful. And we hadn't even got to the palette yet. Well, probably going to have to cut this to get to it. Let's see this beautiful blusher. Oh yeah, look at that. It's got two-tone color. It looks like it's got a blush and a bronzer. Is that what it's supposed to do? That is really pretty. Now, I like that. Very, very nice. Let me see what it says. I'm having to put it up here so I can actually read it. This here is a pinky peach rose blush and a medium warm bronzer in one. And then it says, every cheek is better, half with this liquid to baked formula that glides on and melts into the skin with a split pan bronzer and blush. The blusher adds dimension and warmth. One swipe, it says, for a natural healthy flush. And I do use bronzer. I'm sorry that I have problems with that light. So that's really, really pretty. Now, I'm not going to touch that right now either because, like I told y'all, some of this could go in a giveaway. I'm not saying it is, but it's possible. But I may use it too, so I want to reserve the right because, after all, it's my box. But I like to share, and y'all know that too. My next item is a Bliss Velvet Dream Stick by Stinaface, and it's a $12 value. And it's a densely pigmented lipstick formula. It's in this box right here. And it says Stinaface. I'm not sure. Stina? Never heard of it. They do use indie brands in this packaging. But, ooh, I hope I didn't make that go upward. Oh, look, that's a nice lipstick. I like the packaging. I like the way it's styled out, don't y'all? I know I'd probably like that, so I'm gonna, oh yeah, that's a nice color. Yeah, that's gonna be very nice. I don't want to put it over my lipstick that I have right now. But yeah, that looks very nice. Yeah. Does it say what color it is? Bliss. I guess I already knew the answer to that. Okay guys, now we're down to the palette. That was a $12 value. The palette is an End of the Rainbow palette by Ladybug Glow and Ice Cream Beauty. So this is a collaboration, and it has a value of $30. And you know it's going to be fantastic. I have found all my palettes to be really nice with the Ice Cream Beauty. And it's the little End of the Rainbow, Lady Glow, and Ice Cream Beauty. And I'm going to take this off of here. I'm sure it has a cover, and it does. And guys, this is really pretty. I'm going to cover up the mirror. Oh my goodness, that is just gorgeous. Look at that. Lucky, dreamy, pot of gold, possible, mesmerizing, hope, clover, magical, cloudy. I love all those colors. Those are just fantastic. Oh yeah. And I'm assuming a couple of them are duochromes. We have 2 duochromes, 1 multi-chrome, and 6 mattes is what we have in here. So this is just gorgeous, and it'll be fun to work with. I'm not, of course, doing the eye look today or get ready with me, but this is a palette that would be fun to do that with. I'll have to look into doing that with you guys. Now, what have I done with the Space Saver? Oh my goodness. How do I lose things so fast? Oh, there it is. It fell on my computer. Yeah, I don't want to lose that, but that's a gorgeous little palette. And the value of that, again, was $30. So this was a great little box. I'm glad I was able to re-sign up in time to get it. So now I haven't missed any. I've been doing Ice Cream Beauty for almost a year and a half for sure. I think. Yeah. Or 2 or a year. I'm not sure. It might be a year. I want to say a year and a half, but I really like it, and you get all makeup, and that's the other thing I like about it. So if you're looking for a subscription that's very affordable, gives you lots of different kinds of products, and mostly all makeup. Every once in a while she'll have something that's not makeup, like a tool or one skincare item, but I mean, we're talking about makeup. So you like makeup, you'd like this. You let me know what your favorite is. My favorite's the palette. And my next favorite's going to be this primer, because I know I'm going to use that primer. So those are my 2 favorites. Do you have 1 or 2 favorites? Let me know your favorites in the comments. And if you would be interested in getting Ice Cream Beauty. And I am going to say this is going to be another. If I pick a third, it's going to be this one. Yep, because I like my lippies. But that is my March Ice Cream Beauty. And it won't be long, and I'll be coming back around here with my April Ice Cream Beauty, and we might do a little get ready with me on that one. But until then, that's all I have. And be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways that are currently going on, and be on the lookout for any new collabs that may be hitting in the next 10 to 12 days. I guess it'd be 10 days, and I'll tell you more about that when I can. But be on the lookout for it. It's going to be a fun one. And like I said, I do have a Grove collaboration giveaway in my Grove collaborative video. It's a giveaway. It's a palette. And we're trying to help Mary get to 3,000. So be sure and join in on that. Go over and check out Mary and share one of her videos. And I also have my 3K celebration, which is going to end on April 22nd. That's my birthday. So you still have a week or so, 10 days, 15 days to get that one viewed and seen. And then I think I have another giveaway, and I can't even remember what it is. And it ends on April 30th. But any giveaways I have will be down in my description. So be sure and go check those out. As for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.